Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm doing a video on my new hair color. Oh, that's kind of cute. Anyway, so basically, remember when I bleached my hair, I said, hey, this isn't my final hair color. Like, it's just, a step into changing up my look a little bit. So this is my new hair color. I don't know if you can tell in this light. And this is my new hair color. It was just like, hey, from a new job, I can have colored hair. That's the reason why I was kind of holding out a little bit. So once I got that okay, went to the hair store same day. You just did it. So it's a mixture of, I used the Adore hair color. It's a mixture of Adore 112 and Indigo Blue. I'm sorry, it looks crazy. And then Adore 116 Purple Rage. So to me, it looks more blue, but it depends on the light. So when I get ready to touch up the color, I am going to add a little bit more purple because I want it to be I want it to be more purple than blue. But you can see, depending on the section, you can see, but I just mixed it together. I guess the hair strands took what color they wanted to, F the rest. But like, I like it. I really like it. I've gotten so many compliments on it. Like, and it's still like, it's really nice. I'm sorry. Let me turn it to the back. Like I said, I don't know if you can see the color, but what I like about this color, hold on, let me put it back. What I like about this color, because when I used to dye my hair, I used Manic Panic, and I guess it kind of fell off because I was kind of looking for it. But, oh well. So, what I like about this color is it doesn't bleed a lot. Like with Manic Panic, every time I wet my hair, every time I put product on my hair, it's like a whole bunch of color would come out. But with this, it still bleeds, but it's very minimum, so the color is still very vibrant. But I only had it in for about a couple days, so it's been like 3 or 4 days. But I did restyle my hair, and I did style my hair after I dyed it, of course. So yeah, I can't wait to do more styles with this color. I can't, especially because it's the summertime, so the sun is just going to be like all in my hair. I love it. So yeah, if you have any questions, I did try to record this process, but my batteries died in my camera. My camera battery died, so I really didn't get any footage. I got it when I'm doing my intro, like, hey, this is what I'm doing, and then as soon as I start to apply it to my hair, camera went completely dead. Couldn't do nothing. Batteries had to charge, and I had already started putting the product in my hair, so there's no way to stop and just wait for my batteries to charge. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but definitely when I touch up the color, I would definitely record that way you can get a gist of how I did it. But honestly, I followed the instructions, put my hair in different sections, and just work the product through my hair. It said you're supposed to comb it through, but that product does not have to comb through. Like, it's like when you try to put a protein treatment on your hair, it says like, no, I didn't do it. I just made sure every part was covered. I'll like part the section, make sure my roots and all that stuff. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning into this video. Ooh, excuse me. I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. I'll answer any questions. Oh, follow me on Instagram. I do have a lot of pictures. Not a lot of pictures, but I do have a couple pictures of the hair color, like right when I did it. So you kind of see, like, in one light it looks like purplish blue, and in the other light it looks like it looks blue. So yeah, definitely check that out. And like I said, if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.